10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Start. While dealing with a batch of civil appeals filed by former employees of Uttar Pradesh Roadways seeking pensionary benefits, the Supreme Court recently held that pension can be claimed only under relevant rules or scheme. If an employee is covered under the Provident Fund scheme and is not holding a pensionable post, he cannot claim pension. Quote, pension is a right and not a bounty. It is a constitutional right for which an employee is entitled on his superannuation. However, pension can be claimed only when it is permissible under the relevant rules or a scheme. If an employee is covered under the Provident Fund scheme and is not holding a pensionable post, he cannot claim pension, nor the writ court can issue mandamus directing the employer to provide pension to an employee who is not covered under the rules, D court said the bench. On perusal of relevant government orders, the court noted that the appellant employees were not holding any permanent post or pensionable post. Moreover, they had already availed retirement benefits, including the benefit under Employees Provident Fund scheme. As such, it opined that they could not be permitted to turn round and contend that they should also be given pension, a party to the litigation cannot be permitted to approbate and reprobate. In 1947, UP Roadways was created as a temporary department of the state government for providing public transport facilities. The employees thereunder were appointed temporarily. On September 16, 1960, a government order (GO) was issued providing service conditions of the roadways employees. These were different from the service conditions of employees working in different government departments. Another GO was issued on October 28, 1960 under Note 3 of Article 350 of the UP Civil Service Regulations. This GO provided for pension to permanent employees of roadways. As per Article 350, service in non-gazetted posts in government technical and industrial institutions in UP does not qualify for pension and will be covered under Contributory Provident Fund scheme. On June 1, 1972, the UP State Roadways Transport Corporation was constituted, and thereafter, a GO was issued on July 5, 1972, treating all roadways employees on deputation with the corporation without specifying the period . The GO also assured them that their service conditions in the corporation will not be inferior compared to those prior to the absorption. On April 28, 1982, certain rules were framed providing for absorption of all employees of the roadways in the service of the corporation with effect from July 28, 1982. Immediately after retirement, the appellant employees received their entire post-retirement benefits, without any protest or claim that they hold a pensionable post. When the representations were rejected, the appellants approached the High Court. Their claims were dismissed both by the single judge and the division bench, on the view that they did not hold any pensionable post, and thus, were not entitled for receiving pension. Challenging the High Court decision, the appellants then approached the Supreme Court. Whether former employees of Uttar Pradesh Roadways, a temporary department of the state government. Over. तो दोस्तों, ये 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन है. इसे लीजिए, लाइक शेयर कमेंट करिए, और ट्रांसक्राइब करने के लिए आप वेबसाइट पे दी गई लिंक जो कि डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी है, उसमें जाके आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करके अपनी मिस्टेक्स को ऑटो चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, इससे आपका टाइम बचेगा. थैंक यू सो मच. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.